Hi YouTube, this is about the Dometic blind catches, the catch that holds the two fly screen and blind together. Sometimes these parts can snap, so this video is about how to replace them. So this catch snapped off just along here and it's clipped onto this rail there. So to remove it, if you get a thin blade, stick it in the bottom of the what's left of the catch and lever the bottom out, it'll just come off quite easily. You can buy these new catches off eBay, about £5. Slightly different design, but does the same job. You can see there the old catch clips over the bottom rail, and the new catch actually slots into the gap. In the same rail, does the same job, slightly different design, but nice and neat. So I hope you found this video helpful. Give me a thumbs up on YouTube if you did. See you later, guys.